You got me in the shot?
Not even close.
Shit. All right. There. How about now?
Yeah, there we go.
Beauty. What's up, guys? My name's Ray. I'm here with Night Solutions Corp here in Canada. We're a night vision dealer, as well as dealing in a bunch of accessories. I'm here to talk to you today about weapon lights, specifically an accessory for your weapon lights, which is the Unity Tactical GASCAP. That's this thing right here. What it is a drop-in tail cap replacement that'll drop in on your standard Surefire lights, your Modlites, all your standard lights. The big advantage of it is it retains a full-size, full-functioning tail cap. Pressure switches fail, and this allows you to jump back to a fallback setup without having to reconfigure or make any kind of compromises in terms of functionality, while still allowing you to use a remote tape switch that uses a USB-C connector to plug into. How that works is the USB-C connector attaches into this port here. It can go in either configuration, up or down, and then there's a retaining clip that goes over top of it, which allows you to route the wire forward or backwards in either up or down position. It means you've got 4 different positions that wire can come out of, which allows you a lot of options when it comes to cable management, cable routing, going for a really sleek, low snag setup, which is what we're always looking for with setups like these, right? We don't want snag hazards or anything like that. Hope all of you found that helpful. What we want to do here is provide you guys with the information to make educated buying choices. Economy's in shambles. Your money's hard earned. We respect that. We want you guys to make informed decisions. You can check these out and many other products on nightsolutions.ca, which is our website. Have a good one, guys.